Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, I want to talk to you about something that many of us fear and dread: losing everything. It could be losing a job, going through a tough breakup, facing financial ruin, or any other situation that makes you feel like your world is falling apart. But I'm here to tell you that even in those darkest moments, there is hope. Today, I'm going to share with you 5 things you can do when you feel like you've lost everything. So, let's get started. Step 1. Embrace your feelings. First and foremost, it's important to acknowledge and embrace your feelings. When you experience a major loss, it's natural to feel overwhelmed, sad, angry, or even lost. Allow yourself to go through those emotions without judgment. Cry if you need to, talk to someone you trust, or find a healthy outlet to express your emotions. Remember, it's okay to not be okay. By acknowledging and accepting your feelings, you can begin to heal. Step 2. Reflect and learn. Once you've given yourself time to process your emotions, it's crucial to reflect on what happened and learn from the experience. Take a step back and try to understand the factors that led to your loss. Ask yourself, what could I have done differently? What lessons can I take away from this? Reflecting on the past allows you to gain valuable insights and grow as a person. Remember, failure can be a powerful teacher if we are willing to learn from it. Step 3. Set new goals. When you feel like you've lost everything, it's easy to lose sight of your dreams and aspirations. But this is the perfect time to set new goals for yourself. Start by rediscovering your passions and interests. What makes you come alive? What do you want to achieve in the future? Start small and gradually work your way up. Remember, every successful journey begins with a single step. Setting new goals will give you a sense of purpose and direction in life. Step 4. Seek support. During challenging times, it's important to lean on the support of others. Reach out to your family, friends, or even support groups who can provide comfort and guidance. Surround yourself with positive influences and people who believe in you. Remember, you are not alone, and there are always people willing to help. Together, you can find the strength and motivation to rebuild your life. Don't hesitate to ask for support when you need it. Step 5. Take action. Lastly, take action. Losing everything can make you feel powerless, but it's important to remember that you have the power to change your circumstances. Break down your goals into smaller, manageable tasks and take consistent action towards them. Stay determined, persevere through obstacles, and don't let setbacks discourage you. Each small step forward will bring you closer to rebuilding your life. Believe in yourself and your ability to overcome any challenge. And that's it for today's video on what to do when you feel like you've lost everything. Remember, my friends, when life knocks you down and you feel like you've hit rock bottom, it's not the end. It's a chance for a fresh start, an opportunity to grow stronger, and a reminder of your resilience. Embrace your feelings, reflect and learn, set new goals, seek support, and take action. You have the power to turn your life around. Stay positive, stay motivated, and never give up. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with others who might benefit from this message. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more. Take care.